Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to the October 2022 Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone flight video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lam Phang station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. In train news this month, everything comes from Hua Hin today, as Jonathan and his team seem to be on top of all the breaking train line news. First up, a bit of wishful thinking by the government as they announce a high-speed train project which will fly through Hua Hin, but not until 2032. First, that's 10 years away, and it's meaningless given the history of governments here and their commitment, funding, and timelines for train construction. Second, what's the definition of high speed? In China, it's 350 kilometers an hour. In Japan, it's 320. And in France and Germany, it's 300. These speeds require extremely precise track construction and cutting-edge train engines and cars. I'm betting that nothing approaching these speeds ever happens here. We'll be happy if we can get our near to complete dual track system running at 200 kilometers an hour, and it'll be sufficient for the needs of the country. Back to believable reality, we're getting word that the projected travel time from Hua Hin to Bangkok will drop to 2.5 hours. The raised sections and dual track layout means no slowdowns or interruptions in service from oncoming trains. But they don't mention that Bang Su is the new terminus in Bangkok. Its location in the northwest of the city cuts an hour off the end of the existing trip to Hua Lam Phang station all by itself. Finally, we get another look at the refurbished Japanese trains that will serve short route touristy locations like Kanchanaburi, Hua Hin, and the Pak Sak Jolasid Dam in Lopburi province. Using Thai math, a spokesman said they saved 400 times the price of new trains. Note that these trains will not be able to exploit the maximum speed on our new dual-track route from Hua Hin to Bangkok. So if you want the fastest trip, you need to select a different train in the schedule. Now, let's get flying. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.